Hi, I'm David Ienna from Fairmax Law. Natural disasters, pandemics, or economic downturns can leave individuals and businesses facing overwhelming financial challenges. When disaster strikes, bankruptcy can play a critical role in helping you recover and rebuild. Today, I'll explain how bankruptcy can provide relief after a crisis and what options may be available to you. Disasters can create financial strain through lost income, unexpected expenses, or mounting debts. Bankruptcy offers a legal way to eliminate or reorganize debt, giving you the opportunity to stabilize your financial situation during a difficult time. In Chapter 7 Bankruptcy, individuals can discharge unsecured debts like credit card balances and medical bills. This can provide immediate relief by eliminating debts that may have accumulated during or after a disaster, allowing you to focus on recovery without the burden of unmanageable payments. Chapter 13 Bankruptcy is a great option if you have a steady income but need time to catch up on missed mortgage or car payments. It allows you to create a repayment plan, ensuring you keep essential assets like your home while managing debt over a 3 to 5 year period. For small business owners, Chapter 11 or Subchapter 5 Bankruptcy can help reorganize debts and restructure operations to recover after a disaster. These options allow businesses to stay operational while managing financial challenges and developing a plan for the future. It's important to remember that bankruptcy is not a sign of failure. It's a tool to help you rebuild. Whether you're dealing with personal or business debts, bankruptcy can provide the relief you need to focus on recovery and moving forward. At Fairmax Law, we understand the challenges that disasters bring, and we're here to help you navigate the bankruptcy process. If you're struggling to recover financially after a disaster, contact us today for a free consultation. We'll help you explore your options and find a solution that works for you. Disasters can disrupt your life, but bankruptcy can help you rebuild. Reach out to Fairmax Law and let us guide you toward financial stability and a brighter future.